Hey everyone! Ever tried losing weight but ended up stuck, frustrated, or exhausted? You're not alone. Today I'll share 10 powerful, realistic ways to lose weight without crazy diets or giving up your favorite foods. And stick till the end for a bonus secret that could change everything. Ready? Let's dive in. Section 1. Set clear goals. Don't just say, I want to lose weight. Be specific. I want to lose 5 kilograms in 2 months. Break it down, about 0.5 kilograms per week. Clear goals keep you focused and motivated. Section 2. Track everything. Tracking changes the game. Use an app or a notebook. Track your food, mood, and workouts, not just your weight. Small details reveal big patterns. Section 3. Stay hydrated. Many times, hunger is just thirst. Drink a glass of water before meals. 2 to 2.5 liters a day. Pro tip: always carry a water bottle. Section 4. Prioritize protein. Protein keeps you full and fuels fat loss. Include chicken, eggs, lentils, yogurt, or tofu in every meal. Simple swaps make a huge difference. Section 5. Cut processed. Processed foods are full of hidden sugars and fats. Choose real, whole foods instead. If it looks like it grew from the earth, it's probably good for you. Section 6. Portion control. You don't have to quit your favorite foods, just eat smarter. Use smaller plates and aim for half veggies, a quarter protein, a quarter carbs. Section 7. Move daily. Forget marathons. A 20 to 30-minute walk or dancing in your living room counts. Pick something you enjoy and stay consistent. Section 8. Prioritize sleep. Poor sleep triggers cravings. Aim for 7 to 9 hours a night. Simple changes: no screens before bed, cool dark room, limit caffeine. Section 9. Manage stress. Stress equals fat storage. Combat it with meditation, breathing, journaling, or hobbies you love. Healthy mind, healthy body. Section 10. Focus on consistency. Perfection isn't the goal. Progress is. One bad meal doesn't ruin you. Stay consistent and bounce back fast. Bonus tips. Eat more fiber, Oats, veggies. Limit alcohol. It adds calories and lowers willpower. Meal prep. Save time and avoid unhealthy choices. Strength train. Build muscle. Burn fat faster. Celebrate wins. Energy up. Sleep better. That's victory.